If you really want to join in the new companies with your dual employment, you can approach to me. Okay. One guy received salary of 30 lakhs per annum in company A. And within 30 days, he received 18 lakhs per annum in company B based on the company A's offer. Okay. He achieved interview because he has potential skill. But potential skill will not help to achieve successful background verification. He hired at company A and he absconded. Okay, he's not working. But as per record, the record is showing PF is also crediting. He doesn't have about PF credit. Okay, so he joined in the company B. He forgot about company A. But as per record, this PF is contributing every month. Okay, now he is having 16 days of overlapping. Okay, they cannot get the previous organization relieving letter. It will be very difficult. Okay, and overlapping is created. Now in company B, he got termination letter. So overall, in past he absconded and he did the dual employment. At present, he is having termination record. Overall, 3 phase of issues. Now he could not able to join anywhere. He lost their job. He's lost their almost their career life. Okay. Hiding companies is bad idea in software industry. Okay. So I repeat, don't try to hide your PF service history. You need to show the experience as per the PF record. Even when you give the information in the background verification form, give the priority as per the PF account. Because background verification form and PF service history, this company order should match, should sync up with ECL. Then only your background verification will complete perfectly. So, 2 things you people hiding the service history. The major thing, PF overlapping or dual employment, moonlight activities, or submitting the fake certificate. So both the things are bad idea. Okay, I'm suggestion for dual employment, best case and worst case. If you want, my email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. You can connect with me. Okay, and don't waste of time. Okay, mention your problem clearly in the email. Okay, if you really want to join in the new companies with your dual employment, you can approach to me. Okay, consulting fee is very huge. Okay, consulting fee is very big. If you are okay, you can do the payment and then we will connect. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.